Now the seventh event we are going to study. Seventh event is gastrulation. Now what is the meaning of gastrulation? First I will give explanation, later on I will give the meaning for this. Now this is the gastrula. It is a hollow spherical ball-like structure. It is having one layer of cells at the outermost region. Now this is blastula. Just now we have studied. It is actually attached with the wall of the uterus. We did not think about the uterus or blastula and uterus. Now this blastula is unilayered blastula. What is the meaning of unilayer? Single layer of cells will be present at the outermost region. But during this gastrulation, the single layered blastula is changed into a three-layered structure. Now I will draw the three-layered structure. Here this is the outer layer. As such in the blastula what is present here. It is the outer layer of cells. Then one layer of cells will be there inner. It is kept folded inside. Now this is the inner layer. Now the outer layer is called primitive ectoderm. The inner layer is called primitive endoderm. Endo means inside. Endoderm. Now actually in both the word, the derm is a term present. Derm means layer of cells. Ecto means outside. This layer of cells are present in the outer region. That is called ectoderm. This layer of cells is present inside the structure. So it is called endoderm. Now one more layer of cells will be formed in between the ectoderm and the endoderm. The cells are separated from and they are organizing themselves in between the ectoderm and the mesoderm, endoderm. Now this new layer, what is present in between is called primitive mesoderm. Now you see that a new structure is formed. It is having three layers. Primitive layers, very simple layers. That is into primitive ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Here also a hollow cavity will be present. Now this structure is now called gastrula. Now the blastula is having single structure, single layer. But gastrula is having three layers. Now what is gastrulation? You can see. It is the conversion of a single layered hollow blastula into a three-layered hollow gastrula. This process is called gastrulation. So at the end of gastrulation, gastrula is there. Then the eighth one we are going to study. The eighth one is called organogenesis. Organogenesis. Now we'll take what is the meaning of this organogenesis. Genesis means development or formation. Already we have studied. Organo means organs. Now from the ectoderm of gastrula, some organs are developed, organs of human body. From the primitive endoderm, some organs are produced. Similarly, from the mesoderm, primitive mesoderm also, some organs are produced. Now this development of various organs from the three primitive layers is known as organogenesis. So by the end of organogenesis, if you take, all the human organs are produced in a small size and a tiny baby is developed. So from gastrula, a tiny young one is developed after organogenesis. Now this is. The young one is also called a fetus. The young one is also called a fetus when it is there in the female's body. Now after organogenesis, that means the development. Organs are developed, young one is completely formed. Then the last event what is going to be will be parturition. What is the meaning of parturition? The common term for this parturition is childbirth. Now sometimes doctors will say delivery of the child. So once the complete young one is formed in the uterus of the mother, now once complete formation is over, the uterine wall will slowly contract and send the fetus, that is baby, young one, through the another reproductive tract and finally out. Now this is called the childbirth or delivery. That is called parturition. It is the last event what is happening in the human reproduction. Thus we have completed the introduction topic. That is the 9 events are taking place. Then another one, Next part what we are going to study is in the human reproductive system. What is the structure and function of male reproductive system and what is the structure and function of the female reproductive system that we have to study.